In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ghibli-style images using Grok by xAI. If you're a fan of Studio Ghibli's enchanting, detail-oriented style and want to replicate it, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can do this easily with Grok. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on Google's homepage, look for the search bar and type in Grok. This should help you bring up the search results you're looking for. Now, in these search results, you should see a link to the Grok website. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to be directed to their homepage. Now that you're on Grok's main website, you'll want to locate the clip icon. This icon plays a crucial role because it's what you'll use to upload the file you're going to work with. Simply click on this icon, and you'll be prompted to select a file from your computer. If you haven't already prepared an image file that you'd like to transform into a Ghibli-style artwork, this is the time to do so. With your file uploaded into the platform, the next step involves creating a prompt. You might be wondering what this entails. Essentially, think of the prompt as a detailed description that guides the AI on how you'd like the image to look in the Ghibli-style universe. Consider the colors, the emotions, and the elements of nature often imbued in Ghibli films. These could be your prompt's focus. After you've crafted the perfect prompt, you're almost there. The next thing you'll want to do is find the Submit button on the interface. Clicking Submit initiates the transformation process where the AI begins to work on reimagining your original image with the Ghibli-esque qualities you've specified in your prompt. And that's it. What follows is really the magic of Grok by xAI as it renders your image into a stunning piece of artwork, reminiscent of those seen in your favorite Studio Ghibli films. Wait for a short while as the processes your request and returns a unique art piece that you can now marvel at, share, and enjoy. There might be some waiting time depending on the complexity of your image and prompt, but the result is surely worth the wait. Not to mention, with a bit of trial and error in crafting prompts, you can generate something beautiful and close to what Studio Ghibli might create. It's that simple, and Grok makes it profoundly accessible even if you aren't an artist. Enjoy creating and exploring the world of digital art with this innovative tool.